Oh my god, guys. Okay, welcome back to Cat Love. Kitty. I mean, everybody can just call me Harley. Or that. Janaya, Ari, and Jada. If y'all watch my videos, you know to call me Harley. Something like that. But there's a major hurricane going on right now.
It's called Hurricane Irma. Is that how you say
Irma.
it? Irma.
It's Hurricane Irma.
And by the way, I'm Shadow Wolf 200, so hi.
It's real.
Again, like I think
And
the third
look
time.
at that. Oh my god, that's a pothole.
Yeah.
That's a pothole.
Yeah, because last...
Right there, there's
Hey,
a pothole.
you want to know how that got made? Pothole. Because last hurricane... Oh, whoa, that's cool. Last hurricane, there was a tree there, and Hurricane Matthew blew the tree down. I see it with my own eyeballs, by the way. And then they had to, it took them like 2 or 3 weeks or 1 week to clean it up. So it was on the road and on the mailboxes. So, yeah.
Wow. Now I live here, but I don't know about that. I don't know, but...
Oh, no, the screen right there is broken. That's what
Oh my god, the screen is broken.
I don't know. My screen is... Here, right here, it's broken. That's what happened to my screen.
Okay, this is my new room. Our power's out right now. Sorry about the... Hold on, let me
has
just
so much show. Oh, wait, where is
Hold
it?
on.
Where is he?
He's in the cage.
Oh. Guys, I'm going to be your...
How do I turn the flash on? Oh, it's out.
Okay, I only have
I'm an
one
idiot.
more minute left.
My hedgehog's in there somewhere. Have little hedgie and oh,
I think
look, there he is. There he is.
Wait, let me see.
Say hi, Sonic.
Uh-oh.
She's also making a YouTube video. Ew, I think he peed right there.
Oh, I think so.
Yeah, it's wet.
And he poops inside of his hand.
Yeah, he poops in the wheel when he runs. It's pretty gross.
Eh.
But, sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
y'all want a house
it is
tour?
so
Okay, you can have
We're
them.
gonna go outside and show you how bad we
Yeah, we're gonna go outside and show you how bad this is. It's like awful.
Hold on.
Okay.
It's on my ringtone.
Stairs.
It's on my
Yeah,
phone. It's on my phone.
Hold on,
Where
I'm
y'all going?
doing a YouTube video. Hold on, in a minute.
I paused mine because I only have 1 more minute left.
Oh my god.
Dude, I only have one. Let's go in the backyard.
Here, look at this. Dear Lord, that's bad.
Hey, for
If
sure.
you wake them up, y'all gonna get kicked out.
If you wake them up, y'all are babysitting.
For real, y'all can go over
Change
there.
the diapers and everything.
Y'all going to her house, y'all going outside.
No, we're just going outside.
So don't be running in and out.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So the wind about to blow again, because
Here's my car.
they will be able to hear it, but we're gonna
It's disgusting.
We're gonna actually.
I'm okay with walking it because I have my
Guys,
pants
we
and
are
stuff up.
actually going to be walking in this water for a second.
I don't care. 'Cause I have shoes on. She doesn't though. She's barefooted. She doesn't have no shoes.
Yeah.
In 3, 2, 1. Ah!
Oh. Oh, this
It's
is
like
so,
a weird foot massage.
Oh my god.
This is so cold. What the heck? Why are there glow sticks out here?
I don't know why they're glow sticks. I think they
I'm
got.
taking them.
I think they went outside from your house.
I don't
there's a
care.
bubble.
I'm taking them.
Oh wait, it's 5 minutes. 5. Hold on, I gotta redo it.
Okay. This is crazy. We get out of this. This is gross. We're going to the backyard now. Haven't been back there today. I've only seen out my window. I don't know what to do with these. It's still up there. Come on.
Okay, guys, I'm back. I just had to record a new part.
If you need me to, I can. Hold on. I can send the video to you, and you can post it on your channel. Ew, I don't want to suck in that. I'm actually scared.
Guys, so
Suck in
you
that.
can hear
Let me
the
suck in that.
wind. You hear it. You hear it?
I don't know what's up in my foot.
Guys,
You can come backyard.
you
Oh
can
my god.
hear it?
This is like
This is
hedgehog
hedgehog.
bedding.
And it
We have
looks
a white
wet.
transplant. We gotta be careful. The baby's sleeping in
Yeah,
there.
the little-
Oh no 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 no. Oh no 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 no. I'm so weird. Come on.
happened to her?
Come on, Shadow Wolf. You're good right now. Oh, that. Hold on, come here.
Look near my house.
Let's see.
No. Gee, guys, my
God.
house could have got the freaking destroyed. Oh my god.
Oh my god, that's like
I'm seriously
awful.
gonna show this Oh my god, hold on. I'm gonna take a picture of this. Be right back.
Oh my god. This is crazy.
Come on, we need to go walk over there for a bit. Come on. We need to walk. That's so weird.
I know. Especially for you. I'm sorry about my foot thing.
Yeah.
Hey, let's go inside my house. Come on. No, so we can actually get the cat train together. This water's so cold. Oh my god. Everybody, I'm doing this for you. I am like in the water right now. Oh my god, that's something slimy. Oh, let's go to her back.
Hey, get on my back. Quick. I'm gonna walk through it.
Ugh, grossest thing in the world.
Oh my
God. Holy crap.
Well, I gotta take a picture of this.
This is like awful.
Okay, we need to go inside. We can show it to my grandma.
No.
No.
No, I can't go in.
Well, we need to tell my grandma that my mom's coming though.
You tell her.
Mom was coming, and look what happened in our backyard.
Oh my god, this is like crazy, guys. No, cat. I know it's a dog. They didn't cat. I can cat.
Follow us.
It's like awful
It's like
back
right
here.
there. It's that big fat tree. Look. Come right. Look. It's horrible.
Oh my god, I didn't even notice that. Hold on, let me zoom in.
We were making a YouTube video, and I had to pause my video.
What did that do that?
Oh
I don't
my
know.
god,
I
look
guess-
at this.
Cat.
Kitty. Kitty cat.
Come on, cat.
Dog cat.
Hey, we're gonna go back over there. Just tell my mom. Alright. Now you gotta tell my grandma. Oh my god.
Okay, everybody. Look at this. This was awful. We're about to go walk over there and show you that.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
Like halfway.
Do you need to get on my back or something?
Yeah. Hey, we're good right here.
Look at the dog.
Shane.
Look at your dog. Oh, that's so cute.
Oh my god. That's
Look.
the dog that wanted to
Those
play
came
with
up during the storm. This place is like trashed. The trash can is right over there. Like, there's no way to get over there because of all the branches. Everything just fell. It's awful. Look at that. Hold on.
Snapping yesterday. That's why I heard snapping. It was like it was right there.
Oh my god.
Hey.
Hold on, guys. I have to answer.